Do you own rental real estate? Are you a burned out landlord tired of dealing with bad tenants that are costing you thousands and thousands of dollars year after year? Well, today I'm going to spend a few minutes with you here sharing some tips and techniques that we have used over the years to get rid of those bad tenants in a low cost and efficient manner. Number one, talk to your tenant. Give them a call, go over to the house and have a direct conversation with them and find out exactly what it is that they're going through. More times than not, landlords go directly to the adversarial approach when they aren't receiving rent. And actually having a conversation with them and just trying to find a solution can open up a lot of doors and possibilities to give you an understanding of what it is that they need to move on. Number two, help them find another home. Oftentimes tenants won't take that direct initiative to go try to find another place because number one, they don't have the resources nor the network. So with you as a landlord, you may have already have an established network of people that you can reach out to and resources that you can utilize to help them find that perfect place for them to get them excited about moving on to the next place. Plus, you can also be a reference for them. Third one, banks do this all the time. Cash for keys. Look, you're not getting paid because your tenants don't have money. They're not leaving because they can't afford to go to a new place. I learned this early on in my career that it is far better to pay a tenant to leave than it is to let them stay because they will cause far more damage to your property. Again, banks do it all the time, the Cash for Keys program. Incentivize them to leave, help them move on. Don't renew the lease. You can give them any justifiable cause for you not wanting to renew, whether it's because of their history or, but more importantly, it could be that you're looking to consider selling the property and you need to do major renovations or remodel to it. So don't renew. Next is raise the rent. Threaten legal action. If you've gotten to the point where your tenants are unresponsive, combative, and completely adversarial to all of your attempts prior to, threaten the legal action and then take action upon that. This is a legal eviction, depending on where you are in your state and what your guidelines are, but start moving forward through the legal process. And if that threat doesn't move them, the actual act will. Now look, all of these tips that we've shared with you, it's not a one size fits all, it's not an end all be all, but these are tips that we have utilized over the past 12 plus years in owning residential real estate and had our fair share of bad tenants. Because look, tenants, especially bad ones, know the loopholes, can find ways to get in, and they sneak in every once in a while. So look, if you find yourself at this point owning rental real estate and you're just burned out, you're burned out of managing, you're burned out of dealing with terrible tenants, we get it. But you understand that there's value in having passive income. You understand that there's value in having an asset that produces for you every single month. Give us a call and we can share with you some strategies that we can implement in helping you get rid of the bad tenants and getting you into what was the intent in the first place, which was having the freedom that real estate provides. I'm Dan Walters, Treasure Valley Property Solutions. Look forward to talking to you soon.